Thank you to each and every one of you for volunteering to be part of our NHS family, caring for people and keeping them well. And as well as our dedicated, long-standing volunteers, we have been overwhelmed with your kindness in coming forward during the pandemic. We've had over 600 new volunteers. Obviously, with so many, we've had to be very careful that you're safe and you're there where you can help the most, as well at the same time as keeping safe. So we've got volunteers now in our transport department as drivers, gardeners, virtual volunteers. Drivers are delivering food parcels from food banks to some of our most vulnerable patients in the community. Every single one of you, those who've been here for a long time and are very welcome new volunteers, are making a real difference. And we couldn't do what we're doing without your help. So it's wonderful that this week we're celebrating Volunteer Week. And as Chair of the Health Board, I'd like to thank you, each and every one of you, personally, for your support. Diolch yn fawr iawn.